Okay, here's a simple on building a EA, this video on building a simple EA. So here we have these blocks. So we have the once per bar. We have a check for no trade. We have a condition. We have a modify variable, and we have a buy and sell. So right now the buy side is pretty much done, and we just need to make the sell side. So here we link these blocks together. There is this check distance, but we don't have a moving average to compare the distance right now, so we don't really need it. So now we go to my indicators. So this is another quick video on the section on how to get a custom indicator on. And we'll go ahead and update that one. We'll figure out later, but if we go down here to the QQE, we can tell that we have the green line, which is the quick line, and the red line. All right, so drag a new block. And we want this to be QQE. And then we have already made some constants over here. So this makes it easier to adjust your input and standardize across all of the EAs that you will have. So we have the ATR values here, QQE, we have the risk, and we also have the candle period. So because our testing, we want to test the close of the last candle. So what we do is, you notice moving factor, we right click, and then we want to go to more settings in the candle ID and see period. And a buffer is we want the red. So in this case, we want the green to be smaller than the red. And we click update. So we have the sell condition here. We have the buy condition here. So we can just cross check to see if everything's fine. Everything is good. Then inside this modify variable, what we do here is we want to change the take profits. So the that we want to set the ATR. So here we go into the modify variable. We go to here. We want to change the TP value indicator in ATR. So we assign the TP period, TP multiplier, period again, and the multiply. And then since it's the TP, we want to make sure it's the TP value. And we go to settings. And this is how we can lock the FX Dreema variable to the ATR. And then on the sell side, on the buy side, we have these. So here on the risk percentage, we can call it 1. And money management, so we want to risk it per balance. And then since we have this as a constant over here, if you change it into inputs, it will change it all around. It might seem a little bit more work now, but it is going to be a lot better. No, we don't want that to be an indicator. And so basic is the numeric value, and we want it to be a stop loss, a custom pips. Because we've already gone and done the leg work, and did that already. So just to double check something. Good. And so now we connect this. So we check the buy side, check the sell side, and we should be good to go. Which is what we do is formatting wise, create an area, make it look good. Then now we can take it over to MQ4, MT4. We click this one, we save as, we save into here, we go into EA, hit the F4 button, go to experts. Now we have this simple, what did we call it? We called it the simple test. So we go back, I just forgot the name. Here we get a simple test. We press on F7 to compile. And it seems that everything seems to be working just fine. So go here, get expected advisor, we get a simple test, AUD USD from, let's say, the old classic, 2017, January 1, and to current. And then we just go make sure that we go to see, we go to inputs. Yep, it looks like everything is there. Okay, and we click start. So ahead, if we go skip, so as you can see, this is the QQE cross, so it enters the signal, and then it hit the ATR, the TP, and the stop loss. But there seems to be a slight issue with this, so I will go ahead and fix it. But on this video, you can definitely tell that this appears to be working. So there you have it. You have your simple testing EA.